By his own account, this was a $12 mistake.
It was about $1,200. People make mistakes, man. There's a bond, so it's not like, you're stuck in there.
But before this encounter is even over, he's already trying to make his own bond disappear in cash on the spot.
Can you, if I give you $2,000 now?
No. You did the jail.
Can I go to...
On December 6, 2021, at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, a shopper was detained by loss prevention. 4 Harry Potter ornaments, 2 phone cases, and several pairs of socks, concealed by hand, one item at a time. That total came to $827.35, just $80 over Florida's felony theft line. Under Florida statute 812.014, $750 is the exact threshold that turns petty theft into grand theft. Cross that line even by $80, and a misdemeanor becomes a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. That threshold is the entire reason this arrest happened the way it did.
Come out over here for us for a sec, okay? Go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Yeah. All right? We're double locking it so it doesn't tighten up on you, okay? You're being arrested. They're charging you for the grand theft, okay? Because of the amount you stole, okay?
Can I sit down real quick?
I'll just sit down.
Yeah.
Real quick. Come on back here for me real quick.
Are those all yours?
So,
Is there a family member outside I can give them to? Mm-hmm.
can you tell me how much I stole? How much I stole?
It was about $1,200. People make mistakes, man. There's a bond, so it's not like, you're stuck in there. It's your phone and wallet, right? You can take this. Now the bags. Do you have a family member here that I can give them to? Okay. Are they outside?
Bravo, we clear for 42.
Can you take my hat off?
Yep.
10-4, Bravo, you clear and join.
I'm going to cooperate.
No, I know.
I'm just,
Taking it all in, right?
yeah. I've had a rough few months and this is not.
That's no problem, man. Is there anyone
Yeah.
we can get those to?
Yes.
Were they? Do you know if they were waiting outside?
They're in the park. They're not inside.
They're not.
They're like in the park. They're
Yeah.
not outside.
Can we call them and tell them to meet at guest services? That way I can get those to them.
Yeah.
Because the jail won't accept those. That's a problem.
No, don't come.
Okay. All right.
I just have bad anxiety and I'm really
No
myself
problem.
right this second. I'm just trying to get my head straight. I'm sorry. If I'm bothering this, I apologize. My life.
If they're clear,
You're not the first and you're not the last.
I'm already going through so much right now. I'm just.
Who can I call?
Can you open my phone? Just look at my. It's open. Go out. Go to. Right there. Go to J. John, J. You. Yeah, right there.
John?
Yeah, you can just call me. Just call me right from there.
Oh, John.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm actually 51 right now, Chief.
Where should he come to?
Guest services.
Yo.
Can you go to guest services?
Hey, hold on. Where's guest service?
Yeah, listen, just you. Don't bring the kids.
Okay.
Just go to guest services. All right.
Where's that?
It's in the
At the front, go to the front entrance and go to the left, and you'll see guest services. Go in there and ask for investigations, and I'll have them standing by.
Okay.
Yo. Yeah, go there.
Bonds 2,000.
Okay.
All right.
So if he goes to a bail bondsman, it's 200.
You can hang up. Can Can you, if I give you 2,000 now?
No.
I would say.
You did the jail.
Can I go back? Because I got a flight in the morning anyway, so. Thanks. Go to DAD. Call it. Anthony, are you with my dad? All right. Is he with Aunt Donna? All right, thanks. Can you go to, I'm sorry, I know this is, I'm asking a lot. Can you go to Aunt Donna? Just,
Aunt Donna? Is it under Aunt?
yeah. Where's the, if he brings the 2,000, can I pay cash for it?
Yeah, it's a cash bar. You can.
Like when I get there, could I?
Yeah. Does he? Are they here in Orlando?
Yeah.
Does he know where the 33rd, the Orange County Jail is?
Yo, Aunt Donna. Can you put my dad on?
He's on his way.
He's on his way where?
What'd you just say?
Can you put my dad on?
Oh, he's on his way to Zeus.
What's he driving there?
No, I'm going to the golf cart.
All right, bye. No, I'm not. Wait, here. I'm gonna need you to drive my dad to where?
Orange County Jail.
Orange County Jail. I did something stupid at Universal. I stole some merchandise. Yes. I know. Tell me about it. I feel like jumping off a building. Don't take that serious.
No.
Okay. Where is it at exactly?
It's at 33rd and JYP.
John Young Parkway and pretty much I-4.
I-4 33rd and JYP. It's the Orange County Jail.
Yep. Google it and they'll find it.
All right.
The probable cause here didn't come from the officer's own eyes. It came from a Universal Loss Prevention officer's written statement. Private security personnel are not bound by Miranda protections because they are not government actors. Their sworn statement alone was enough to establish probable cause for a police officer to make an arrest. Once handcuffed, the subject made no formal confession to police, but he made several to his own family on the phone in the officer's presence. He told his father directly, quote, "Stealing at Universal like an," end quote. Under Miranda versus Arizona, warnings are required only before custodial interrogation, not before voluntary statements to a third party. The officer never asked him what happened. He never had to. Rhode Island versus Innis defines interrogation as police conduct reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. Simply allowing a phone call doesn't meet that legal standard, even when the person in cuffs incriminates himself. That means every one of those admissions is likely fully admissible at trial, Miranda or not. There's a second legal wrinkle here. At one point, the subject offered the officer $2,000 in cash on the spot to make the charge go away. The officer refused immediately. Accepting would have exposed him to bribery and official misconduct charges under Florida law. That refusal is the correct legal answer, and it's not optional. Cash bond is paid to the court, never to the arresting officer. There's also a welfare issue buried in this footage. The subject said, quote, "I feel like jumping off a building," end quote. The officer's response was calm but brief, telling him not to take that seriously, without documenting any formal follow-up. Department policy generally requires any self-harm statement, custodial or not, to trigger a documented welfare check. A verbal reassurance in the moment is not the same as a completed referral.
He's with my friends. He's going to stay with them. Tell my dad he's going to need to bring $2,000. Will I take a debit card?
I have no idea. That's the jail. I don't know how the jail operates.
Yeah.
It's a $2,000 bond.
I mean, I'll pay the cash. I have the cash. I'll pay.
Once we get there, I'll let you talk with corrections staff.
Yeah, can it be?
Once he gets there, ma'am, I'll let him talk with the corrections staff. I think they'll let them do that, but I have to let him talk with the staff there.
All right. Don't call
His
him.
friend's going to guest services to get this.
All right. Orange County Jail. See you there.
Oh, no.
Can I send?
All right.
They're gonna come in. Aren't they gonna come and get all your stuff?
Yeah, they both drive. I was going to tell them to grab it.
You wanna call them one more time? We'll make one more phone call.
Yeah. Can I get the number out? All right. Dad. Yo. Yeah, I'm in some trouble. I got arrested. Yeah, for stealing in University. No, Dad. I know. Trust me, I don't feel right. He's with Jung and Ita. He doesn't even know about it. So I need you to come bail me out. It's $2,000.
Okay. All right.
Orange County Jail. Aunt Donna knows. And so go. Yeah, Aunt Donna. I called Aunt Donna. Go to Aunt Donna. Aunt Donna and Athletic will drive you to get me out. All right. And Logan will be fine. He's going to be with Ita and Jung.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Of course.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Here they go now.
This is a goddamn jail. They're gonna come and get that. Or you're not. I guess you're not. You're gonna come.
No, they'll take it to them.
Can you zipper that front pouch? That's where the key is.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Can you put the hat in there?
You don't want to bring the hat?
Yeah, screw. Sorry.
Which bag?
Oh, that blue one. Sorry.
All right.
You want me to stand up?
Yeah. You need help? No.
They doing the 69 or?
Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, I'll get that.
Come
yeah.
on out, buddy.
This one?
They already told me he's trespassed, so.
Yeah, no, I talked to
We're coming out, y'all.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys have the trespass form? This copy?
Yes. Get a copy for it. Yeah. More. So that's the original. That's the original.
Thank you.
Well, that's his.
Okay.
That's his.
Grading this encounter requires 3 parties, not 2. The arresting officer, the subject, and the Universal Loss Prevention Officer whose statement built the case. The Loss Prevention Officer earns a B+. Their detailed, itemized written statement gave police exactly what they needed for a lawful arrest. The arresting officer earns an A-, procedurally sound calm under pressure, and correctly refused an improper cash offer. His shortfall is the missing welfare follow-up after a spontaneous self-harm statement. A documentation gap, not a legal violation. The subject earns a C+. Fully compliant, no resistance, but his own voluntary statements did more damage to his case than any officer conduct did.
Gotcha. Okay.
Any copies of that?
Your ID is back in your wallet.
Oh,
Okay.
Want to see everybody goes in handcuffs when they get transported to it.
no, it's alright. I get it. I understand. It's your job. You got a bunch of police officers in your family.
Have a seat for me, buddy.
Seems secure.
So if a private security guard's paperwork can build a felony case and a personal phone call can hand prosecutors a confession, how much control do you really have once the cuffs go on? Takeaway number 1. Anything said in custody, even to family on a personal call, can be used as evidence. Silence protects you more than explanation does. Takeaway number 2. A private security officer's written statement alone can establish probable cause for a felony arrest. Retail loss prevention reports carry real legal weight. Takeaway number 3. Never offer cash to an officer to resolve a charge. Bond is paid to the court, and the offer itself can create new criminal exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police-court interactions.